Right, we're all ready with the jogging wheel. Jogging, I can't remember the proper name for it. There's everything on the chair. The motor is wired up, and we have everything connected. So let's see if we can make something move. This is the first time I've switched this on, and what you see is what I should see for the first time. Here we go. Right. On my X and Y, I have no idea which way this is going to go. That's a bit stiff, that way. Right. Something's happened. I'm turning the power off. I'm going to investigate what's happened. I'll be back in a sec. As you saw on the last video, the stepper motor was juddering about all over the place. I've since got some bearings which I'll show you later. So it should be no weight on the threaded bar. Doesn't have any weight on the stepper motor shaft at all, and it's still vibrating. Okay, I've tried changing the wires round to reverse the direction, or in case that was the problem, and it was exactly the same. So either I've got a malfunctioning driver or a malfunctioning I'll call it a pre-driver, I can't remember what it's called, or things aren't right with the breakout board. I don't know, so I'm going to start by soldering things together, because I've had this breadboard forever, I know that there are a few issues with it, but that's why it was all down one end, but we'll see. Okay, so I'll get on and do that, and then I'll show you my findings and the results after I've put everything right. Okay, back in a bit. So I've hardwired everything now. That's the fan earth, that one, and power supply earth. That is stepper motor power supply and fan power supply. All the other wires are now hooked in solid. This one's only in the breadboard purely for support. There's no actual connections on the breadboard for this module. So the only thing left to do now is I'm going to take the stepper motor wires out one at a time, snip them off, restrip them, solder them and put them in so they're a good solid connection. And then we'll try again.